Hello, and thank you for viewing my presentation today. My name is Nathan Grubb, and I will be informing you about carbon dioxide recycling. So, what is carbon dioxide recycling? Carbon dioxide recycling is essentially taking carbon dioxide out of the atmosphere and converting it into other things. So, why must we do this? As most people know, carbon dioxide is a waste gas, and it's produced in the processes of power generation, manufacturing, and transportation. Carbon dioxide is also a greenhouse gas, and thus it contributes to climate change. Furthermore, the increased partial pressure of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere causes the further acidification of water reservoirs and contributes to acid rain. So we can take this carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, which is a problem currently, and turn it into a solution. This can be done, as mentioned earlier, by using carbon dioxide as a feedstock. This can in turn be transformed into organic products that are used and also fuels. David Titley, who is the current Penn State director at the Center for Solutions to Weather and Climate Risk, compares carbon dioxide in the atmosphere to trash. And people as a whole have been putting it off into the atmosphere for 150 years. And as he says, it's about time to start taking out the trash. So first off, we're going to talk about some organic products that can be made from carbon dioxide. The first being urea. About 90% of manufactured urea goes towards production of fertilizer. This is convenient because urea is very high in nitrogen, which is desirable in a fertilizer. It's also a solid. This makes it easier to ship and transport from area to area. Polyurethane and polycarbonates can also be made from carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Specifically polyols, which are directly from carbon dioxide, however, now are being produced from petroleum. However, they can be combined with epoxides to form foam insulations, furniture, shoe soles in the form of polyurethane, and as polycarbonates, they can be used to produce capacitors, bulletproof glass or bullet-resistant glass, and also CDs and DVDs. I included here a picture of a tractor spreading fertilizer for two reasons. The first being the fertilizer, which almost certainly contains urea, which, as mentioned earlier, can be produced from carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. But also, the tractor has a seat cushion inside. The seat cushion, which is made of polyurethane foam, can be produced from carbon dioxide as well. In addition to the organic products, carbon dioxide can also be used to make fuel, specifically methanol, ethanol, and methane. First, the water-gas shift reaction is tweaked in a way to get desirable ratios of hydrogen, carbon monoxide, and carbon dioxide gas. These gases are in turn reacted to produce methanol and ethanol. Methane can also be produced from carbon dioxide gas when it's hydrogenated. The current outlook for carbon dioxide recycling is there, but it's so-so. Right now the technology exists, but more technological advances need to be made in order to make it cost-effective on a large scale. For example, zinc catalysts are needed for the polyol production, which goes into polyurethane. Then this can be pricey in its own right. As far as the production of fuels goes, there's a high demand for hydrogen gas. Since hydrogen gas is not readily available in the atmosphere, it must be made. This requires high energy demands, which can in turn drive up the cost of carbon dioxide being used as a feedstock for fuels.